Get ready to be amazed because what's coming next is going to change everything. Artificial intelligence is about to turn the world upside down, revolutionizing industries, reshaping daily life, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Some people have even called for this new technology to be stopped, fearing it could fall into the wrong hands. But let's face it, it's already too late. AI is here to stay, and we are only at the beginning of something massive. Throughout history, technologies have typically followed a growth pattern known as the sigmoid curve, an S-shaped trajectory consisting of three phases: slow growth, rapid growth, and stable growth. In the initial phase, innovation develops at a sluggish pace as researchers refine and adapt it to the market. Then, when the technology reaches a tipping point, its adoption accelerates exponentially, transforming industries and society in ways we never imagined. Eventually, as the technology reaches maturity and saturation, further advancements slow down, marking the stable growth phase. One of the clearest examples of this is the evolution of mobile phones. Early devices were bulky, slow, and lacked many of the features we now take for granted. Then came the smartphone revolution, driving an explosion of innovation, introducing touchscreens, high-speed internet, and app ecosystems. But in recent years, mobile phone advancements have plateaued, with incremental improvements rather than groundbreaking transformations. Artificial intelligence is now entering the rapid growth phase. So far, we've only experienced its early stages: AI-powered navigation apps, gaming AIs, virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Home, and personalized recommendations on platforms like Netflix. But all of that was just the warm-up. What's coming next is nothing short of revolutionary. AI is on the verge of breaking through limitations we once thought insurmountable. Machines are beginning to reason, predict, and generate human-like responses with unparalleled accuracy. From creative writing to real-time data analysis, AI is moving beyond mere tools to become collaborators, assistants, and even decision-makers in various fields. Buckle up because the AI curve is about to explode, and the future is arriving faster than anyone predicted. Right now, most AI systems are classified as narrow AI, meaning they specialize in specific tasks: playing chess, analyzing data, generating text, or composing music. But researchers are racing towards something far more powerful: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike narrow AI, AGI wouldn't be limited to one domain. It would have the ability to learn, reason, and understand concepts across multiple fields, much like a human. This is where things get truly fascinating and, for some, terrifying. A fully developed AGI could surpass human intelligence, revolutionizing science, medicine, engineering, and even philosophy. It could solve some of humanity's biggest problems, from curing diseases to tackling climate change. But it also raises critical ethical and safety concerns. What happens when AI surpasses human control? How do we ensure AGI aligns with our values? These are questions experts are grappling with as AI advances at breakneck speed. One of the most striking examples of AI's power today is its ability to create hyper-realistic images, videos, and even audio. Remember when an AI-generated image of Pope Francis wearing a stylish puffer jacket went viral in 2023? Many people believed it was real at first glance. These hyper-realistic creations can be generated in seconds, which has sparked serious concerns about misinformation and deepfakes. If we're already at this level, just imagine what AI will be capable of in the near future. The ability to generate fake but convincing content poses significant risks, from manipulating public opinion to undermining trust in media and institutions. As AI improves, so do the challenges in detecting and mitigating disinformation. Governments and tech companies are now scrambling to develop countermeasures, but the battle against AI-driven misinformation is only just beginning. But AI isn't just changing how we create images, it's transforming video production as well. AI-powered tools like Midjourney and Wonder Studio are making it possible to generate incredibly realistic videos, replacing traditional animation and visual effects. Low-budget creators can now compete with Hollywood studios, producing high-quality films with just a camera, AI software, and a creative vision. What's even more astonishing is AI's ability to replace actors seamlessly in a scene. Imagine a film where you can swap actors in real time, or where an aging actor can appear younger without extensive CGI work. The implications for the entertainment industry are staggering. This could revolutionize filmmaking, but it also raises ethical and legal challenges about authenticity, deepfake consent, and the very nature of performance itself. The music industry is also feeling the impact. AI can now generate entire songs, mimic famous artists' voices, and compose original pieces based on simple prompts. Imagine being able to create a new song in the style of the Beatles or Beethoven with just a few clicks. However, this has raised serious concerns about copyright and artistic integrity. Major record labels like Universal Music Group have already pushed back, demanding that streaming platforms like Apple Music and Spotify stop allowing AI models to train on copyrighted songs. The legal and ethical debates surrounding AI-generated content are only just beginning, and the future of music creation may hinge on new regulations and licensing models. Of all the AI breakthroughs in recent years, none has been as impactful as OpenAI's ChatGPT. When it launched in late 2022, it took the world by storm. For the first time, anyone could chat with an advanced AI that could answer questions, generate stories, write essays, and even help with coding. It quickly became one of the fastest-growing technologies in history. But AI assistants aren't just useful for casual conversations. They're transforming the way people work, boosting productivity in offices, schools, and businesses. Microsoft Copilot, for example, can draft entire documents, summarize emails, and even transcribe and analyze meeting discussions, saving professionals countless hours of work. AI is no longer a luxury, it's becoming a necessity. As AI assistants become even more advanced, they may redefine the very nature of white-collar work. Just when we thought AI couldn't get more impressive, along came AutoGPT. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, which require users to input commands, AutoGPT can think, act, and adapt on its own. Give it an initial prompt, and it will set its own tasks, analyze its progress, and refine its approach without further human input. This level of automation could revolutionize everything from customer service to market research. Imagine an AI that can plan your entire trip, book flights, order meals, and handle all logistics with minimal supervision. The potential applications are endless, but they also pose new risks. How much control are we willing to give AI? Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and we are standing on the edge of something truly extraordinary. The future is unfolding faster than we can comprehend, bringing both opportunities and challenges. One thing is certain, this is just the beginning. Buckle up because the best is yet to come.